This butternut soup is so easy to make and so healthy. You only need just simple ingredients. The butternut here was so hard, so I had to use a lot of energy to cut. But at long last, I managed. After prepping your squash, take a pot, add some olive oil so that you can start sauteing your onions until they are translucent, and then add your ginger paste and saute it, and make sure it is not going to burn. And then add your squash and broth or water and let it simmer for around 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we are back to check whether our squash is well cooked. And then we are going to add some cinnamon and some salt to taste. Then let it simmer for around 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, we are going to give it a stir and then let it cool so that we can blend it. But if you have an immersion blender, you can blend with it so that you will not have to wait for that long for it to cool so that you can blend. Now it is cool and I'm putting it to my blender so that I can blend. And that's it, a creamy, healthy butternut soup. Follow for more healthy recipes. Stay healthy, stay blessed.